Today we're going to do a demonstration of the start and shutdown procedures of the Plasser GRM 3000T. Before starting, you should always walk around the machine looking for any damage or leaks. While you are doing your walk around, you need to check the fluid levels daily: the fuel, hydraulic, engine oil, and coolant. You need to check the oil in the gearbox at least once a week. After your walk around and all fluid levels are checked, the battery master switch can now be turned on. And after the master switch is turned on, we can now move to the cabin. You want to ensure all switches are in the off position. The travel work switch must be off or the machine will not start. Turn on the ignition key and check the engine PLC screens for any malfunction. Sound the horn as required by rules. Turn the ignition key to the start position until the engine starts, but no more than 10 seconds. If the engine failed to start, wait 1 minute before attempting another start. We will explain more in the troubleshooting video. Once the engine has started, release the ignition key. After the engine started, check the engine screen for proper operation. Check the engine's RPM for 900, oil pressure, battery voltage to see if the alternator is charging, and verify there are no engine ECM control module lights on. If an ECM light is on, press Engine Diagnostics button for the codes. Allow the engine to idle for at least 5 minutes to warm up before traveling or working. While the engine is warming up, inspect around the machine for any leaks. Brakes will be applied. To shut the engine down after returning from traveling, first apply the parking brake. Then return the engine to idle by turning the throttle switch located on B52 panel to the left. Let the engine idle for 5 minutes to equalize the internal temperature prior to shutdown. Turn the travel work switch to off. Switch off any electrical components like headlights, work lights, air conditioning unit, etc. Shut down the AGGS computer if applicable. Turn the ignition key to the off position. Turn the battery master switch to the off position. Next, we drain the air tanks of the accumulated moisture. Now lock the machine up according to railroad procedures. Thank you very much, and you can follow up with my next video on YouTube.